welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing my paycheck number 2, and I will also be telling you a little bit of what happened with last check. I had to ask for borrow money because there was some things that were charged before getting my second check. So yes, so stay tuned to see that and more. So like you can see, I'm using my Erin Condren planner, life planner, and this time I didn't fix my page before I started the video. I find that maybe you guys might want to see it as I do it, so let's get started. So I'm gonna be using this washi. It's succulents. For those of you that don't know, I love gardening, so I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna use this second paycheck from Romina Rosa, and I might be using stickers from the Happy Planner. I went to Michael's and I fell in love with these, so I'll see which ones I'm gonna use, and I might be using this one, don't know yet. So let's get hands on. So as I'm doing this, I wanna go ahead and thank those who have subscribed in the past week or two. I know I haven't been uploading as often as I was at the beginning, but I was trying to find what content I'm gonna focus on, and I think I'm just gonna focus on budgeting and maybe a blog here and there. But yes, thank you if you just subscribed recently. I want to thank you a lot, and if you have not yet subscribed, I want to invite you to subscribe, and also let you know that I have a video gift card giveaway. You might want to take a look at. I'm gonna leave it, I'm gonna post the link down below. It's a Best Buy giveaway. It's actually 2 gift cards, and if you are interested, I'm gonna leave the link below. So the winner is gonna take 2 gift cards. Actually, one is from Best Buy, and the second one the winner will get to choose from what store they want to have the gift card from. I would want you guys to leave me down below, what do you guys want to see. I'm gonna start my sinking funds as well. I'm gonna start my cash envelope. I haven't really started those because, like you guys can see right now, or if you guys have been watching my videos, you guys will know that I've been low on my income. This month I was not able to work extra, so we're gonna start with Chase. So the due date for Chase is on the 22nd. So 22nd. So the payment here is $25. And then we have Bank of America. It's due on the 19th, and the payment here is also $25. Then we have Target, which is due on the 23rd. here my payment is 27. Then we have Walmart due on the 23rd as well. Here my payment is 25. Then I have Best Buy, and it's due on the 26th, payment of 101. And then is my Capital One, which is due on the 20th, and my payment is 25. And then I have St. Jude, which this one I never know when it's due because they always withdraw the money on different dates. But this month they took out the money on the 16th, and I was not counting with this payment, so I had to ask my sister to borrow some money for this reason, and because I had to spend on my daughter's birthday, which I was not prepared for that. I know I should have been. But for those of you that don't know, I have 4 kids, and sometimes I do struggle a little bit, single parent. So I do have my ups and downs, but I can always work around it. And like promised, I told myself, and I promised to myself I was not going to use my credit cards, and that's why I just asked my sister to borrow money. Anyway, so this one was, it's 19 a month. And then dentist for my daughter's braces. She does need braces, so I had to do that payment as well. And that payment also doesn't have a exact due date, but I did gave half last time I went, and I'm gonna give the rest on the 21st. The total is 80. And then I have my Condina, which is due on the 25th. This one is 200, which, by the way, I'm gonna receive this money back with on August, the first 2 weeks of August. And the money that I had my sister let me borrow, so here I'm gonna put her name. Thank you, sis, by the way. You always help me out whenever I need it. So I paid her today, which is the 18th. She let me borrow 200. So thanks to this, I was able to cover a couple things that I was not expecting. So this is it. My actual here, I actually paid this one already. I gave $30. So I gave $5 more. And then, which one have I paid? This one is done. It was exactly the 19. This one, I gave half, but I'm not gonna write it yet. This one, it's paid 200. So I'll be writing my actuals once I pay them, and I'll be putting here if I gave more or if I gave less. But this is how it's gonna look for my second paycheck. Let me add everything up. By the way, my check came out to be Well, I had like $70 in my bank account, and then I saw this morning I had 9 something, so I'm guessing my check was close to the 900 or 8 something. Yeah, close to the 900. Like I said, not a lot because I was not able to work extra days, but this week and on I'll be able to work more, so you'll see the difference. For those of you that watched my last check video, you guys might remember that I didn't have enough for one of my bills, which was the cable, and I did said I was gonna bump it on for this paycheck, and I almost forgot, which is my internet. So that one was due last paycheck. The total was $67.72. That one is already paid. I paid it this morning. Okay, so my total is for everything that I have to pay, or for this check, is $794 with 72 cents. July. Number 2. Budget. So this is what I have. It's $9.20. So I have left $126. And from here, I'm gonna buy food for the week. And for gas, I don't have to worry because I did fill up my tanks, and I don't have to worry until next check for gas. That was done with the money that my sister had let me borrowed. So thanks to that, I have that covered. And so yes, this is it, guys. This is my paycheck number 2, how it's gonna look like. Again, I'm gonna end up with no extra cash to spend, no extra cash to do anything with, but things will get better. For those of you that live paycheck to paycheck like I do, knows this feeling, and it's not a very nice feeling, but what can we do? That's why we budget. That's why we have to take control of our expenses. This way we know exactly what to pay or what not to pay, what we have to get rid of or what not. But once again, I did not use my credit cards, and I'm gonna keep mentioning that because that is my main goal, not use my credit cards. So again, thank you for watching, and any that I use, anything, I'm gonna leave the links down below. So I used this washi, I used Romina's, and then I used the Happy Planner stickers as well. So I like to decorate my planner with a quote every now and then. So today I'm gonna be using this one, which is gonna cover part of it, but I don't care. There you go. So I'm gonna relax because I know I'm low. I'm gonna relax and I'm gonna recharge. So thank you once again. If you like this video, please hit like and share this video. And if you are not yet subscribed, please hit that button below And I'll see you next time.